Welcome to Taste Flux.
In today's episode, we're gonna make 3 different budget meals for £4, £6 and £8. We will get our ingredients from the local supermarket. Starting off with our first meal, chicken shawarma. We're gonna hit the budget of £4. And the ingredients for this meal are 2 chicken breasts, 150 grams of yogurt, shawarma blend spice, some salt, pepper, 2 flatbreads, water over iceberg and 1 tomato. To achieve the best taste, we're gonna marinate our chicken in shawarma spice and yogurt, and we're gonna rest it for 2 hours in the fridge. Let's start off slicing our chicken. We got our chicken breasts, we're gonna chop them in half first. Slice our chicken into thinner strips. We got our chicken.
Put the chicken in the bowl.
We don't need our chopping board, so let's place it into the sink. Let's wash our hands. We've got our mixing bowl, we've got our yogurt, and we've got our spices.
Add the yogurt to the bowl.
Pinch of pepper.
A little bit of salt. 2 pinches. Add the shawarma spice blend.
Now we've got our ingredients together in a bowl, and we're gonna mix them together. So mix.
Once the mixture is complete, put the chicken in the mixture.
Mix it together.
Put the mixture in the liner bag. Tie the top of the bag into a knot.
And now we're gonna place our chicken in the fridge, and we're gonna let it rest for 2 hours so our chicken can absorb the flavor.
After 2 hours, get your pan ready. Add some oil, wait till it's hot. Pour in the mixture and start cooking. Keep going till the chicken is golden brown. Cut up your tomatoes and iceberg lettuce. Toast the pita bread. Serve the chicken. And this is how you make chicken shawarma for £4.
Our second meal has a budget of £6, and the meal is cheddar and bacon quiche. Our ingredients for this meal are 10 eggs, short course pastry, 100 grams of cheddar, 4 slices of bacon, 2 onions, salt, pepper, that's it. First thing to do, open your short course pastry and place it in a silicone mold. Place it inside, cover up the edges, use your fingers to tuck it in. Let's cut out the excess. And now we're gonna grab a bowl, take the 10 eggs, and we're gonna crack them in. Our eggs are cracked in our bowl. Now we're gonna add a little bit salt and pepper. And the pepper. And we're gonna whisk the eggs. Our eggs are whisked. Let's place them on the side. Let's grab our onions.
Don't forget to peel the onion skin.
Now we're gonna dice it up our onions. Our onions we're gonna put to the bowl. Now we're gonna grab our bacon.
Put the bacon to
Our bowl.
Heat up your pan and add some oil. Wait till the oil is hot.
And let's place our onions and bacon into the pan. Some salt, little bit of pepper.
Keep stirring whilst you cook till it's golden brown.
And we're gonna put our onions and bacon inside the bowl. We're gonna take half of the cheese we've got, and we're gonna put to our mixture. Let's give it a little stir. Our air fryer is ready to roll. We're gonna put it inside. And we're gonna pour our liquid inside the pastry. We're gonna have the rest of the cheese and we're gonna sprinkle on top. Our quiche we're gonna place to the air fryer and let it cook for 45 minutes on 168 degrees. 45 minutes went by, and now let's take out our quiche from the air fryer. Now we're gonna remove the silicone mold. We're gonna give a little bit more color on our shortcut pastry. Put it back to the air fryer for 180 degrees for another 8 minutes.
Serve with some spinach. And this is how you make cheddar and bacon quiche for £6. Meal 3. Let's make chicken, spinach and mushroom pasta bake. Ingredients: spinach, cheddar, pasta, chicken, butter, flour, salt, pepper and mushrooms. Cut the spinach. Slice the mushrooms. Cut the chicken in half. Dice and slice the chicken. Put the chicken on the side.
There's my pan. Gonna put some oil.
When it's hot, put the chicken in the pan. Keep on cooking till it's golden brown. Add some pepper, add some salt. Stir, stir.
We're gonna add our mushroom.
The mushrooms in the pan. Stir, stir. Keep cooking. Whilst that's cooking, get your pasta ready. Boil the water, add a little bit of salt. Put the lid on, wait for it to boil. Put the pasta in, let it cook, let it cook. Whilst that's cooking, you're gonna make a roux.
Keep it on the side.
Now we're gonna make the roux that we're gonna use to make bechamel sauce. Melt 50 grams of butter, 50 grams of flour. Stir until the substance combines. And then you're gonna slowly add 400 ml of milk. You're gonna mix it together slowly until it all combines into a sort of doughy substance. And then you're gonna keep adding the milk. Once you finish adding all of the milk, you will have bechamel sauce. Add a pinch of salt as you stir. Make sure you added the milk gradually to get the best bechamel sauce. Make sure the texture is thick and creamy. Now check on your pasta. It should be cooked by now. Drain the water from the pasta and put the pasta in a bowl. Finish off your mushrooms with adding some spinach. Stir till the spinach is sorted. Now let's combine everything. Put the bechamel sauce on top of the pasta. Then add your mushrooms and spinach. Add cheese gradually as you stir. Make sure you fold the cheese into the pasta.
Air fryer. Set it up for 170 degrees for about 35 minutes. We're gonna bake our creamy chicken, mushroom, spinach, pasta bake that is worth £8 in medium foil trays. We're just gonna use the foil.
Pour your mixture into the foil tray. Now add the rest of the cheddar to the top. Put this into the air fryer. Prepare a garnish by cutting up some spring onion.
Spinach pasta bake. This portion would fit easy for people.
You can make 4 of these portions, each serving 4 people. And that's how you make pasta bake. The cost of each budget meal recipe was calculated by breaking down the price of the individual ingredients used in each one.